We have to hurry. We have an emergency. Huh? What is this? There's a pile of dirt? We should call our friends.
Hello, hello. How can I help you?
I need help here. It's a pile of dirt.
Alright, I got it. We're on our way.
Counting on you guys.
I'm more ready to go than ever.
Another mission? I'm in. The target has to be somewhere around here.
This is it.
Let's get started. And the last one.
Great job. We're going on our next mission.